Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to turn off view count on Instagram. Now, here as you can see here, I can see the number of views of each reel that I got right now. Now, in order to remove the view count, you should click on this option on the top right side, this hamburger sign. Just click on it. And once you are in the settings, you should now click on Creator Tools and Controls here in the For Professionals section. So I will go back simply and click on Creator Tools and Controls. Now you should scroll down till you find here this option, View Counts on Profile. You just tap on it. Then here you should get this option. Now if you want to hide the view counts, just toggle this on. And now I'll go back again. And now here as you can see, I cannot see the views. If you want to turn it back on, you should do the same steps. So now I will go back again, turn it off. I'll turn it off just in order to show the number of views again. So here you have it. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, share this video with your friend, and thank you for watching.